Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how do you fix slow download speed on Telegram. So let's start. So let's go ahead and open up Telegram. Now here, tap on links to files bot and share your link here. So the bot is going to help you download the video. Another way to do it is you can go to your phone settings. Okay, and here you can go to apps and just search for Telegram. Now what you can do here is you can optimize this by clearing the cache. So here you can clear the cache data and your app is going to go faster. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.